In this video, I'm going to show you how to test if NordVPN is working. So the first thing you want to do is you want to first test it out without using NordVPN. So as you're able to tell, I'm currently disconnected. So now, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and open up any web browser such as Google Chrome. All right, and then you just want to look up what is my IP address. Then you want to go to this link over here, and it is actually going to go ahead and display your current IP. Now, do not share this with anybody. I'm going to blur mine out whenever I go ahead and press on this link. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on it. All right, so my IP is currently right over here. Obviously, for security reasons, I did blur it out. So this is my IP without NordVPN. So you want to take note of your IP and stuff like that. And basically, you want to head back over to NordVPN. Then you want to select on Secure My Connection right over here. And then it is going to go ahead and actually connect you to a different location. And once you're done with that, then you want to head back over to that website and you want to see if there is a change in your IP. All right, so my IP actually did change right over here and it even says not detected. So that is how you know that it is actually working right over here. So you absolutely love to see that. So guys, that is how you know that NordVPN is actually working. So once again, you always want to do this privately. Don't do this in front of people because they're able to see like your IP. Like never screen share this information. Be sure to always be safe and of course to use NordVPN responsibly. And this video is primarily for educational purposes. Obviously, you want to do everything at your own risk, but that is a simple and surefire way to tell if NordVPN is working. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.